Good evening to all. Now today's topic is as usual your MCQ, and in addition to that we'll have some space pattern. Last class we discussed few space pattern which is your column based. Now this time we'll discuss the pattern which is your, yes, we can say, any idea which is of your type. Yes, who can identify? Alternate based space pattern we are going to do this time. And we will also see that how we can give a triangle pattern, create a triangle pattern which is centrally in a diamond shape, half diamond shape also. So first of all, the process as it is, we'll start with the MCQ, which will contain your basic questions. In addition to that, your advanced questions of your 10th class. Identify the false statement. Which one of the following is called a false statement? Good evening to all. Question is ready for you. Identify the false statement. All of these available, that means more than one false statement can also be there. Or there may be only one false statement. So according to the question, we have to move ahead. Good evening, good evening. Java compiler converts byte code into machine code. Is it right or wrong? We have to identify. Java interpreter converts source code to byte code. It is right or wrong? In addition to that, JVM stands for Java Viral Machine. It's right or wrong? Om says C is wrong. Okay. Pratyush also says that. Pratyusha also says that C is wrong. Ruturaj, C is wrong. Subham Swain, C is wrong. Soham Tripathi, C is wrong. Mega, everybody is saying C is wrong. That means AB is correct. That's why intentionally I have given this point. People will quickly catch hold of it. Java viral machine के बदले virtual machine होगा. Quickly you will give the answer option C, ignoring option A and B. Yes, Java virtual machine. Got it. Roshan Patra, I understood. What about A and B? Because all of this option is also available. All of this is there. So we have to identify A and B also. No idea? Okay, you tell me like this. Option A. Option A is true or false? We can discuss like this. Option A is true or false? If option A is true, then all of this is not required. Ruturaj said D. No, Ruturaj, first of all, you tell me option A is true or false? Sir, option C, because JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Got it. Subham Swain says that option A is true. Fine, good. What about others? But Om says option A is false. Now, if Om option A is false, why you have given the answer? Final answer is your option C. Om, if the first option is your false, then how it can be all of this? JVM, option C. Ruturaj, again given option D. Ruturaj, you are not getting what I am asking. I am saying that option A is true or false. Roshan Patra says true, sir. Om says 1D. Now Om has changed his answer. Uma says it's true. No, option A is false. First of all, option A is false. Now it is not the compiler which converts the byte code into your machine code. There you did a mistake. So that's why option D is your answer, because A is false. A is your false. A is not correct answer. If A is false, what is the true part? What is the true part for option A? What is the true part for option A? Om, you also said it is false. Varsha said false. Ruturaj said false. Now those who have given answer it is false, you have to now tell me what is the true part. I know the true part, that's why I said it is false. Java interpreter. Excellent, Varsha. Good. Java interpreter. Java compiler converts machine code to byte code. Not machine code to byte code. Source code to byte code. Mohan, source code to byte code. Okay. So here the answer is interpreter. The interpreter converts byte code into machine code. Now the second one, option B. Option B, correct answer. Option B, true part. Java compiler converts the source code to byte code. Ruturaj quite faster. Before asking the question, he has given the answer. Dipti Mai Das, what is B? I am unable to understand. Dipti Mai Das, what is B? Subham Swain says that it is true. Varsha says that Java compiler converts the source code to byte code. Yes, good. Arpita Swain. Java interpreter converts the byte code into machine code. हाँ ना रे बेटा. Pratyusha Maji, byte code to machine code. Now it is the job of the compiler which will convert the source code to byte code. After that, interpreter will convert the byte code to the machine code, because of which your code becomes your independent, which can be run in any platform. And the last one is your JVM. It stands for Java Virtual Machine. Which one of the following is an invalid print statement? Which one of the following? गुड इवनिंग समीर सेनापति. बहुत जल्दी ज्वाइन किया समीर. We have covered the question number 1. Question number 2. Which one of the following is an invalid print statement? Specify the reason. Specify the reason why. Roshan Patra, option D, because it is given 10 plus 20. Yes. Mohan Samantra, yeah, तेरी. I did a mistake in the question. None of this मैंने छोड़ दिया इसमें. Tilak says D. अर्पिता स्वाइन says B. और एक ऑप्शन इसमें ऐड करना था, मैंने छोड़ दिया. None of this. One more option I'm adding over here. Option E. None of these. None of these. Now we have added one more option called none of these. Now you have to answer. Yes, I am giving you the question again. None of this is also part of this question. Option D. Sir, in option D, there is no space. Gitanjali. Arpita Swami, option B, because no character is between the double quotes. Okay, Arpita, if I want to display only space, do I need to give any character in between the double quotes? Then Swati. Now who is this Swati? Swati. First time he has joined, I think. I have not seen this candidate earlier. Sir, option D is invalid because there is no double quotes to display. No, I don't think double quote is always required to display. Ruturaj says none of these. Abhijit says none of these. Super sir, nicely spell out. Keep it up. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. Subham Sai, option A, because it does not takes any parameter. Which one? Option A. Fine. Om Prasad Panigrahi. When I am writing println, am I giving anything inside the parenthesis? आपने पैटर्न प्रोग्राम किया है ना? शुभम स्वाई, आपने पैटर्न प्रोग्राम किया है. प्रिंटलन लगाते हैं हम लोग. प्रिंटलन में कुछ डालते हैं हम लोग. ओम प्रसाद पाणिग्राही. सर, none of these. स्वाधीन Swati. Sir, my name is Akash. Aksha. Got it. Akash. Which class Akash? Yes, sir. By using the escape sequence or giving any character and a space. Gitanjali. Sir, option D, because there is no space or no double quotes, even though it is a system.out print. So, which one is your answer, Gitanjali? For which option you are giving this explanation? None. Sir, option A, Tilak. Tilak, explain me. Why? None of these. Subhasmita. Class 8. Swati. Sir, option E. Acha. Okay. If I'll say option A is the answer over here. So, you want example? If I'll say option A is the correct answer, which is invalid. So, should I give you any explanation for this, or you have understood? Because there is a small difference between your print and println. In case of println, though it takes the control to the next line. So, if I'm not giving anything, it will work. But in case of print, parameter is mandatory. We have to give the parameter. Let me show you. I'm taking to the Java screen. Now here I'm giving system.out.println. No error is there. You can identify no error is there. And even if I'm saying no output is coming over here, because it only takes the control to the next line. आप देख सकते हो control is moving to the next line. After that it is unable to move. But if I'm removing this one, I will get an error message. Now I will get an error message. Now, what is the reason behind it? The reason behind is that, look at this. Are you getting this? Got this error message over here? System.print is highlighted now. System.print is highlighted because of the error message, and we are getting the error message over here. There must be some parameter for the print. But if I'm using double quotes without anything, I'm just terminating this one. Just terminating, minimizing these things which is not required. Now I'm executing. Only it is going to give me a space. Nothing else will be done. No error message. Hope I'm clear. Now one space. No error message. 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20. No error message. We are going to get the result. Now, any doubt from anybody? Pratham Patro, yes sir. Soham Tripathi, yes sir, got it. Everyone understood, I think? Okay sir, good. Okay. So, can we move to the next question? अभी तक आप सर के पढ़ाई के स्टाइल को पकड़ नहीं पाए, जानबूझ के मैंने बताया कि आपका ऑप्शन ई डाल दिया जाए तो मैक्सिमम आप लोग ऑप्शन ई में जाओगे, नन ऑफ दिस में, इसीलिए मैं जानबूझ के ऑप्शन ई डाल दिया. गॉट इट? So now next question is in front of you. Which of the following is odd in the given option? Tell me the reason why it is odd. Though the option says that which one of the following is odd in the given option, where the options are given backslash double quote, backslash b, backslash f, backslash h. So many options are given. Option A, Jamula. Subhasmita, A. Varsha, A. 3A, right? This is the right way to give the answer. Just like Varsha is giving 3A. That means I can able to understand which question answer you are giving now. Old one or the new one. Option A. Savani, A. Everyone is giving A. तो आप लोगों को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या बी सी एंड डी में? उसका क्यों आंसर नहीं आ रहा? सबका आंसर ए ही आ रहा है. Pratyusha Maji, Pratyusha says A. Pratyusha, I am really surprised how you can able to give this answer, and also Om. I am not expecting this kind of answer from you. Sahil Patnaik, A. Now, is Ruturaj is there? I'm looking for Subhasmita and Ruturaj answer. Pratham, A. Sahil Patnaik, A. Subham Swami also A. Roshan Patra, let me see what is your answer, and Arpita, let me see what is your answer. Om Prashad 3D. Different answer I got this time. Soham Tripathi D. Abhishek Jana D. Sibam D. Sibam, I think you will join late. Sorry sir, 3D. Sahil Patnaik, Subhasmita A. Because other three options are escape sequence. Good, Subhasmita. I'm just waiting for Roshan answer. If Mohan Samantara is also available, I'm expecting a right answer from him also. Okay, for me, option B is the wrong answer. We can apply escape sequence like this. /B for backspace, /F for form fade. We don't have /H. Instead of this, it should be which one? /T for horizontal tape space. It is not /H. Now, why maximum candidates has given this one answer? Let me clear that we can use this one as an escape sequence also. Let me show you how we can use this. Now suppose I want to display this message. My message is, this is Java book, where I want to emphasize the output like this. Java has to be there in double quotes. Got it? When I want to use it in a print statement, I will write like this. This is Java book. So no problem, I'm going to get the output. This is Java book. but quotes is not coming. My intention is to get this quotes. No quote is available over here. You can see no quotes is available over here. So in order to give quotes, I will put quotes over here. If I will put quotes, you can see that I am getting error. I am getting error now. Can you able to see this error? So the interpreter will show you the error. Can you see the error? Because it is looking for double quotes is missing. It is thinking that this is the beginning of double quote, this is end of double quote, concatenation is missing over here, and this is beginning double quote, this is end double quote, concatenation or double quotes is missing. Now suppose you are thinking that I will put a plus symbol over here. Now again it will generate an error message because Java is not a variable. So for that reason, in order to give this one, I will put backspace. I will make it is our escape sequence, because of which I will get the answer like this. If I want to make it close enough, I will remove this spaces before and after. I can get this one. This is Java book. Hope I'm clear to everyone where we need to use this escape sequence. Class double quotes is used to insert a double quotes. अभी इतना लेट में आया आंसर आपका अर्पिता? Okay, Abhishek Jena, fine, good. Now it's time to move towards the next question. I am ready with the next question. You are always getting problem in odd one out. So that's why this time I have prepared more questions from odd one out. ऑड वन आउट में आपका ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होता है, इसलिए इस बार ऑड वन आउट ट्रू एंड फॉल्स में ज्यादा क्वेश्चन लेके आया हूं मैं, जिसमें आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. ओके, सो वी गॉट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ऑड in the given option? We have few operators. Option A, Abhishek Jena, Sahil. Just hold on, don't send the answer. Don't send the answer. Send with reason. Send with reason why. Send with reason why. Jamula A, Sibam A. Why? All are arithmetic operators. Then why A is your odd one out? J. Saranya. Saranya Vincent, I think. 9th Vincent. Gitanjali Sahu, 4A. You are not getting what I am asking. Whether your reason and my reason is matching or not. Because except A, other are only binary operators. Okay, oh. What about others? Ruturas, because except A, all other uses double. Why? In plus, can't we use double? Ruturas? Subham Sai 4A, because B, C, D are binary operators. Subham, plus is also binary operator. Gitanjali Sahu, it has lowest priority than other. Yes, it is lowest priority than other operators. All other operators are having same priority because B, C, D had same priority. Yes, good. Because operators used for both unary and binary. Yes, we have two reasons over here. Number one, these operators are having same priority. Multiplication, division and modulo. These operators are having same priority. This is having lowest priority. Number two is that this plus operator can be used for both unary as well as binary, but these all operators are especially designed for binary. Because of that reason, this one is your odd one, option A. So that's why I was looking for Reason, because this is used for both unary and binary. Yes, good. Swati. May I know who is this Swati Prem? Acha, got it. Now both option B, C, D is one of the reason I am specified over here. B, C, D are purely binary operators, where this can be used for both unary and binary. Which one of the following is the invalid statement? फिर से आ गया आपके लिए invalid. You will start answering from option A because none of these was also available. You have to tell me option A is invalid. If it is invalid, what is the valid part? Specify if it is invalid, then what is the valid answer? Just like the last one we did. Last one also we did like this. True and false. If it is false, what is the true part? Now every time I'm asking you to give like. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा बार बार आपको बोलने के लिए. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन अच्छा लग रहा है लाइक मार दो. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन अच्छा लग रहा है, एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छा लग रहा है, आपका हैंड ऑटोमेटिकली जाना चाहिए लाइक के पास. क्या क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट हो गया? ऑप्शन ए से स्टार्ट करो. 5D, नन ऑफ दिस. ऋतुराज सेज दैट नन ऑफ दिस. दैट मीन्स सारे करेक्ट आंसर हैं. Yes, what about other candidates? Failed to answer. If you are failed to answer, say unable so that I will explain. Only I want to see that those who are capable, I will wait for them. Those who are saying, sir, I am unable, will not waste our time so that directly we can jump towards the next part. Om, send me your response. Pratyusha, Arpita, Varsha, Pratyusha. Yes, I got it. 5D, Gitanjali Sahu. Sir, explain it. Okay, like this. If you are unable to answer, quickly give me a response. Sir, explain it. So that we will not waste our time. We can discuss more questions. 5D, all are true statements. Roshan Patro. रोशन इतना टाइम लग गया आपको? दीप्ति महिदास डी. एक्सप्लेन इट. सर अनेबल. ओके. ओम 5D. ओम आपको भी इतना टाइम लग गया जस्ट 3 पॉइंट को रीड करके वेरीफाई करने के लिए whether it is true or false. Okay, the first one is true. Let me show you the answer first of all. The answer is option D. Now, impure arithmetic expression. What is called impure arithmetic expression? If in an arithmetic expression we have different data type or the operands are of different data type. Suppose I am having 5 is an integer. I am adding with 3.2 where this is of type double. So this is called impure expression. If the expression contains same data type, then it is called pure expression. So that's why it is called impure arithmetic expression, which is also known as, but otherwise also called mixed mode expression. इसको और भी क्या बोलते हैं? Mixed mode expression. I'm confused with the one, sir. That's why. Okay, fine. The next one is called implicit type conversion. What is called implicit type conversion? When I'm saying int, let me clear this one first of all so that I can write it over here. When I'm saying int x, now x is equal to, I am saying capital letter A. Now where we have two different data types. Right hand side is a character and left hand side is the integer. So now it is not going to generate an error message. It will automatically convert the character constant to integer by its ASCII value, where the ASCII value for character A is your capital A is your 65. Now this type conversion is done automatically. That's why it is called implicit type conversion, which is otherwise known as, or another name of this is called coercion. Like this explicit type conversion, when I'm specifying, because left hand side is having character, left hand side is having my character which is lowest data type, character CH, is equals to right hand side I am having an integer called 65 plus 1, that is your 66. Now 66 is of type integer, 66 is of type integer. Now integer is going to be stored in character, where integer size is 4 byte and character size is your 2 bytes. Now when higher data type is stored in lower data type, it needs explicit type conversion. Now in order to do that, we have to specify the explicit type conversion over here. कैसे देना है? I'm writing over here, within parenthesis I will write char. This is called your explicit type conversion. Now explicit type conversion is also known as your typecasting. Just like I said, base class is also known as parent class is also known as your existing class. Like this, these are the other names. So that's why all are your correct answer. Any doubt from anybody? Ternary operator is also called assignment operator, conditional assignment operator. We have one more question in front of you. Ternary operator is also called conditional assignment. Is it true or false? Everybody we know that it is a conditional operator. Ternary operator is also known as conditional operator. Can we call this as conditional assignment operator? True. Good. That means everybody has understood this one. This is the right answer. So that's why different optional answers are there for a particular thing. Just like last time, a little bit controversial statement, I said that why it is called conditional statement. If there is a condition, it is a conditional statement. Ruturaj, it is correct. It is true. Next one, the default delimiter. What is called delimiter? While writing a program, so many times I told you what is delimiter. Used in scanner class is white space. What is white space? The single line space, the tape space, everything is called your white space. Let me see how many of you can answer this one correctly. Directly or indirectly, I have given this answer to you. Pratyusha 6A. Now, waiting for the answer for 7. Now, we have to think about the delimiter. We have to think about the scanner. Ruturaj, quite fast to answer. Good. Yes, understood, Ruturaj. True. Just recall, while explaining the scanner class, initial classes, I have given this answer to you. Roshan Patra sir, delimiter. Delimiter is nothing but the separator. Roshan, delimiter is nothing but the separator that we are using between the tokens. When I am entering data, so I am giving a space. This is demo. So where I am giving this space is space demo. Subham Sain say false. Gitanjali Sahu. Already explained, Gitanjali, what is delimiter. Delimiter is nothing but the separator between the tokens while entering the data. Sahil Patnaik says true. Om and Sibam. Sibam true. Okay, Pratyusha. Now Gitanjali said true. Ishan Panda. True. Ishan, 9th DPaul. Ishan, are you from 9th DPaul? Roshan Patra says true, sir. Pratyusha Maji now says true. Yes. Good. It is true answer. Now let me show you something to you. Now suppose I'm having a scanner class object. I'm just showing you. You will tell me whether it is true or false, or it will generate error message or not. I'm saying scanner ss is equal to new scanner system dot in system dot out dot print enter three numbers. Enter the number. This is called delimiter, but the delimiter is used inside a message, which is called separator. Now I'm saying that int x is equal to ss dot next int y is equal to print. The message is your within double quotes. I'm saying x is equal to plus x, then plus y is equal to, this is can be called as a delimiter, which is called separator, but it is given inside the message. Y within double quotes I'm saying z is equal to plus z. You might be getting confused. I'm saying slash n. नीचे नीचे आ जाएगा, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Slash n slash n. Now concentrate on the execution process. Execution process में इसका logic रखा हुआ है. Now I'm saying 10 enter 20 enter 30. Now after that I'm getting the output. But now I'm executing, I'm giving 10 space 20 space 30. Now is it going to give me an error message or output? Now tell me error. This type of input will give error or output. First question, whether it is going to give me an error or output. If output, then what is the value of x, y and z? Because I have not pressed enter key over here. मैंने यहाँ पे enter key नहीं मारा है. Only print x. What about y and z value? This will give output without any error. Fine. Output. If it is output, then what is the value of x, y, z? Because if I am pressing enter key, then the first value operation is over. It will assign the data to x. After that I am pressing enter key. That means value is assigned to y. But now I have not pressed enter key. I have given a space in between. 10, 20, 30. Is it going to assign 10 to x, 20 to y and 30 to z? Or else it will only assign 10 to x and 20 and 30 will be ignored. Subhasmita 10, 20, 30. What about others? रोशन वहां पे डिफरेंस हो गया, थोड़ा चेक करो बेटा. It will give you output, but what is the output exactly? Only x value will be 10 and y z will not contain any data, or x y z 3 variables will contain the data. Quickly give your answer so that I can move ahead. Om Prasad says only x, y z will be ignored. अरे जिसको नहीं आता है वो बोल दो ना, unable to answer. Om says x y z 3 will be available. Ruturaj says 10. What about Barsha, Sameer, So many students are there. Pratyusha output. Pratyusha, send me your output. Om has given, Gitanjali has given. Okay, good. Sahil Patnaik output 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Pratyusha Maji. Yes, because this signifies that the default delimiter for the scanner class is your space. Hence, I have proved you the default delimiter of the scanner class is your space. So that's why I said that when I will be available to you online or live class, whatever questions that you have in your mind, you tell me, I will show you with example. प्रूफ करके दिखाऊंगा आपको ये सही क्यों है. So next question is in front of you. Get ready for this one. Now understood? Subham Swai. Not an issue, Ruturas. ऐसे क्लास अटेंड करोगे तो कुछ एक्स्ट्रा सीख जाओगे, क्योंकि यू पीपल हैव जॉइंड लेट. ऋतुराज, आपने लेट ज्वाइन किया तो थोड़ा तो फर्क पड़ ही जाएगा आपको बाकी स्टूडेंट से. जो पहले ज्वाइन किए हों उससे तो थोड़ा तो एक्स्ट्रा ट्रिक मिल जाएगा उनको पढ़ाई करते करते. यस सर, स्कैनर क्लास इज बेसिकली वर्क्स ऑन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ टोकन्स. एवरीबॉडी हैज गिवन द आंसर कॉल ट्रू. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने तो आपके लिए डिस्कशन करके बोल दिया था आपको. आई थिंक आंसर इज ट्रू. लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स हैव हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी. व्हिच वन? इट्स टॉकिंग अबाउट लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर ओवर व्हाट? ओवर रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर. क्या लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी है रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर के? तिलक सेज ट्रू. 9 नंबर, यस 8 नंबर ट्रू. गॉट इट. ये थोड़ा इजी पड़ गया आप लोगों को. मेरे दिमाग में नहीं आया कि स्कैनर क्लास अभी डिस्कशन किया हुआ था. 9 इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. वर्षा सेज 9 इज ट्रू. ऋतुराज फॉल्स. नाउ दोज आर गिविंग आंसर फॉल्स, send me the reason and true part. If answer is false, then tell the true part. Sahil, I am surprised this is told to you. आपको ये बताया गया है. I am also surprised with Ishan. आप लोगों को ये एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर एंड रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर के ऊपर. विच वन इज हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी? वो कैसे एग्जीक्यूट करता है, कैसे काम करता है वो. ऋतुराज सेज फॉल्स. यस, अंडरस्टूड ऋतुराज. एर्लियर ऑल्सो यू हैव गिवन फॉल्स. आई नीड, इफ इट इज फॉल्स देन व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? Rajalakshmi says true. No, Rajalakshmi, it's false. I need a reason. All logical operators have lowest precedence than the relational operator. Good. Relational operator has higher precedence over logical operator. Good. These two are 10 students. Tilak and Om. What about other 10 students? It is false. Now let me show you an example. int a is equals to 10 comma b is equal to 2 comma c is equal to 20. I am saying if a is greater than b and a is greater than c, then I am saying system dot out dot print. ये हम लोगों ने किया था. बिगेस्ट इज इक्वल टू ए. That's why I surprised how Sahil and Ishan has given the wrong answer. Now I'm saying if B is greater than C, then biggest is B, else biggest is your C. Now in this case, first of all, it will check A is greater than B or not. If it is true, then it will check A is greater than C or not. If this is true, thereafter it will go for AND operator, which is your logical operator. Hence, relational operator works first, which is having highest priority than your logical operator. Hope I am clear to everyone. हमने ये वाला एग्जाम्पल किया था, सबको दिया गया था ये वाला एग्जाम्पल, आई थिंक. Difference between these two: ARR of empty square bracket, INT ARR of empty square bracket, and new INT ARR empty square bracket. इन दोनों में फर्क क्या है? अच्छा, स्क्रीन चेंज नहीं हुआ है आप लोगों के लिए. लेट मी चेंज द स्क्रीन. यस, स्क्रीन इज चेंज्ड. Now, what is the basic difference between these two? Or we cannot write like this. Logical part is evaluated. Arpita. Sir, I want to change my answer to false because after the relational, the logical operator is evaluated. Okay. We got a next question that differentiate between INT ARR empty square bracket and new INT ARR within square bracket 10. What exactly these two are talking about? I am expecting 10th student should give this answer correctly. If you are unable, I said if you are unable, then you can send unable or explain it, sir, so that I will explain it without wasting time, because it is already 9:30. We will do some programming also. Space pattern भी करना है हमें. रोशन पात्र, sir, doubt about the question. Write a program to accept a string in uppercase and display it in the forwarding each character 2 steps ahead in a circular way. I have sent this question to you in a WhatsApp, sir. Okay, fine. Let me check. Now, INT ARR empty square bracket is used to declare an array, and INT ARR of 10 is store numbers. Good, Shivam. INT ARR empty square bracket creates an integer type of array with the name ARR, and new INT ARR 10 is wrong. No, Om, it is not wrong. Both are correct. Both are correct mechanism, Om. What about Sibam, Mohan Samantray, Pratyusha? So many. Roshan Patro is also there. Unable to answer this. INT ARR called declaration. I am declaring an array which says that it is an integer type of array. I am not specifying the size over here. Later on I will give the size. Now new INT ARR of 10. Here I am creating an array whose capacity is 10. If you want, I will show you in Java. Now let's check over here. I am saying INT ARR empty square bracket. This is called declaration of an array. Now I am saying ARR is equals to new INT within square bracket 10. So that is called creation of array. Two different. Directly we can write in a single line called INT ARR square bracket is equal to new INT within square bracket 10. I was asking you what is this part, what is this part. Got it, Om? What I was asking to you? I was asking you two different parts. Got it, everyone? What I was looking for? Gitanjali, so in int ARR empty square bracket, it will display the value of the ARR. No. May I know who is this XDRACO? Yes, sir, got it. Who is this joined with the name called XDRACO? I won't mind your message, but tell me your name. Otherwise, I will verify from which IP address you have joined. So, what is your name? What is your correct name? XDRACO. Shubham Sain, yes, got it. Om, yes, got it. Fine. Now, I am just skipping the next question. Because of lack of time. So, we are dealing with this one. Space pattern. Now, this is called alternate pattern. Now, here in the first row, I am getting hash. In the second row, I am getting dollar. Third user hash and dollar. This we have done alternate based pattern, but this time what we are doing it with a different mechanism that is called in addition to your space pattern. We have added with the space pattern. So now we have to consider the space. Now if I will see over here how many spaces I need, I have to calculate how many spaces I need to give over here in order to print this hash. Before this, I need to have some spaces. So how many spaces I need before printing this one? This we need to calculate. And this is given in the form of your matrix. Now, here I am not printing any character. I am just changing the color. This is the last slide. This is the last class that I am explaining space pattern. After that, I am not going to. Okay. Draco. सर क्या है ये? ओके ड्राको पढ़ाई करना है तो कर वरना यस गुड. Sorry sir, random found on fed. No, not a problem. If you have joined randomly, no, not an issue, but don't disturb the class. You can enjoy the study Java, not an issue. I won't mind if you are joining class, but try to learn in the class. Don't disturb by sending this kind of messages, because I am very much strict on these things. If you will study, I will explain you. But if you will send messages like this, I will track the IP address. Okay, fine. We'll come back now. Now, in this case, I have to find it out. This is a space. I don't need to print anything over here. Now, for every symbol, I am giving a space implicitly over here. You might have seen that. After dollar symbol, I am giving a space like this. This is the space attached with the hash statement. Now, this also needs to be given. That means 2 space, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means I need to give 8 spaces before printing the first hash. Now, how I need to calculate this 8? इस 8 को हम लोग कैसे calculation करते हैं? Now, look at this. How many rows are there? We have 5 rows. Now, 5 into 2 is 10 minus 2. Like this, we have to calculate. 5 into 2 is your 10 minus 2 is your 8. So that means I need 8 spaces initially. If first time I need 8 spaces, next time I need how many spaces less than this? We can clearly see from here that the next information needs your 6 spaces. You can see over here the next information is available in 6. Now I need to give 6 spaces. After that I need to print. So obviously next time 4, next time 2, next time no space directly. So if you have understood, we'll go for a code. Understood? Concentrate on the space part only, because rest part we have understood. This is an alternate base pattern, and I will tell you the logic for this. Now first of all, understood the space part or not? Have you understood this space part? Then I will speak about this alternate part. Arpita, no sir. Yes, yes. Ayushman, no sir. Okay, fine. Abhishek Jana, yes. Sahil, no. Jamula, yes. Om Prasad, no sir. Ishan, no sir. Okay, fine. Let me explain you again. Now, when I want to print this hash, before giving how many spaces? 1 space, 2 space, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After giving 8 spaces, I will display hash. Now give me your confirmation. Have you understood or not? The first part I have said. First row. Understood? Pratyusha understood? Roshan understood? First line I have explained it again, that I need to give 8 number of spaces. Before printing this hash symbol, I need to give 8 spaces. Now you have understood. Okay, fine. Now I am explaining that how I can calculate this 8. I am going to calculate this 8 based on your number of rows. Based on number of rows, I am calculating. Number of rows is 5. So that means 5 into 2. Formula is 5 into 2. That is your 10. Now I am saying 10 minus 2 is your 8. So we got 8 number of spaces that we need before this. When we will go for plus 2 ICSE, then I will explain from where we are extracting this logic. This mathematical logic, how we are extracting. For that we need matrix. Matrix से ऊपर आपको आइडिया होना चाहिए ये फॉर्मूला निकालने के लिए. Okay. In the meantime, I have created a formula for you. You can go for it. Now, if for the first row, I need 8 number of spaces. Now for next row, how many spaces that I need to give? Row number 2, I need 6 spaces. How? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 spaces is required because these 2 spaces, you can see quite clearly, these 2 spaces are preoccupied by the current symbol and its own space. आप जब यहाँ पे डॉलर प्रिंट करते हो, डॉलर के बाद आप स्पेस प्रिंट करते हो ना, डॉलर प्लस विद इन डबल कोट स्पेस, ये 2 स्पेस हम माइनस कर रहे हैं अभी यहाँ पे. नेक्स्ट रो में ये 2 स्पेस हम लोग माइनस कर रहे हैं. बिकॉज वाइल प्रिंटिंग नॉर्मली आई यूज टू राइट लाइक दिस, within double quotes, dollar and quotes close, plus we used to give space like this. So ये एक डॉलर प्रिंट करने के लिए, एक स्पेस प्रिंट करने के लिए, ये 2 हम लोग माइनस कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे अभी. नेक्स्ट टाइम फिर से नंबर 3 और 2 माइनस हो जाएगा, तब आपके लिए 4 स्पेसेस आएगा. 4 स्पेसेस कैसे आएगा? 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces is required for the next. So that means for each row 2 स्पेसेस आर डिडक्टेड, हर एक रो के लिए 2 स्पेस कम हो रहा है। यहाँ पे आपका क्या है 4 है, तो यहाँ पे 2 हो जाएगा ना। नेक्स्ट टाइम 2 - 2 0, so no space is required before this. Hope I'm clear now. Sir, why you have done x into 2? बड़ा मैट्रिक्स समझाना पड़ेगा आपको सुभस्मिता। मैट्रिक्स के लॉजिक से निकाल रहा हूं मैं ये फॉर्मूला, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड सिंगल लॉजिक फॉर स्पेस पैटर्न। ये फॉर्मूला मैं कैसे निकाल रहा हूं ये तो नहीं सिखाऊंगा आपको, बट इतना सिखा सकता हूं हर एक पैटर्न के लिए, हर एक लॉजिक के लिए सिंगल लॉजिक मैं निकाल के दे दूंगा आपको, सिंगल फॉर्मूला दे दूंगा। बट फॉर्मूला कैसे निकाला जाता है वो तो ट्रिक होता है बेटा, वो ट्रिक नहीं दिया जाता। ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंडरस्टूड नाउ। ओके, एक केस में आपको सिखा सकता हूं फॉर्मूला कैसे निकाला जाता है। इफ यू शो मी दैट यू आर वन ऑफ द गुड स्टूडेंट इन जावा इन योर क्लास, डेफिनेटली आई विल टेल यू मैं ये सिंगल लॉजिक का फॉर्मूला कैसे निकालता हूं। गॉट इट सुभस्मिता? ओम प्रसाद, ओके सर, yes sir, okay. So now tell me, here I am having how many rows? According to that we'll design now. We have how many rows over here? Row number 1, row number 2, row number 3 and row number 4. We have 4 rows. So that means how many spaces I need to give according to the formula designed by me. How many rows are required over here? Row 1, row 2 this time, row 3, row 4. We have 4 rows. That means what should be my number of spaces? Let me see how many of you have understood. 4 spaces. I think you have not got the formula what I said. Ayushman saw 4. Yes, Tilak, right answer. Ayushman, right answer. Subhasmita, 4 rows. Yes, for 4 rows, how many spaces required? 6 spaces. Because I said number of rows, you might have not got the formula. What I said? I said number of rows multiplied with, yes, number of rows multiplied with 2 minus 2. So the number of rows is 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 minus 2, 6. So that's why we need to have 6 spaces. 4 rows and 6 spaces. Dipti Mai. Good. Dipti Mai, can you send me your class? Which class you are belongs to? As per my knowledge is concerned, you are 9th DPOR. Okay, now for loop. Quickly send me your answer for loop. 4 rows and 6 spaces. Subham Sain, good. According to the formula. Fine, excellent. Loop data. Now send loop data for alternate pattern. Number of rows are there. How many rows are there? So loop will start from where and will end at where? Roshan, this time I am getting late beta. It is 9:45. If you don't mind, in the next class I will add your answer. Skip. आपको 2 कैरेक्टर चाहिए ना, मैं आपको सिखा दूंगा n कैरेक्टर। एग्जाम में आपको 3 कैरेक्टर भी आए, 4 भी आए, एक भी कैरेक्टर आपका शिफ्ट करने के लिए आए, मैं आपको सिंगल लॉजिक में बोल दूंगा, सारे क्वेश्चन में वो काम करेगा, ठीक है। बट इस बार लेट हो रहा है बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल डेफिनेटली कीप इट इन माइंड। एंड इफ यू डोंट माइंड, यू इफ यू सेंड इट इन अ यूट्यूब कमेंट सेक्शन, दैट विल रिमाइंड मी। अगर आप YouTube कमेंट सेक्शन में दे दोगे तो वो रिमाइंडर भेजता रहेगा मुझे जब तक वो अपलोड नहीं होता है। ऋतुराज, R is less than equals to 4, excellent. Subhasmita, 1 to 4, good. R value is 1, R is less than equals to 4 and R plus plus. Now inner loop for space loop. ऋतुराज एक साथ भेज दो, जैसे सारे भेज रहे हैं। पूरा लूप का सारा चीज एक साथ भेज दो. Now Subham Science says 1 less than equals to 4 r plus plus. No, 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 Subham Science space वाला ये लूप है, स्पेस लूप. ओम आपका लेट आ रहा है आंसर. नाइन्थ रिपॉल, यस आई वॉज राइट. मैं थोड़ा डाउट में था. प्रत्युषा माझी आर इज इक्वल टू 1 लेस देन 4. यस आर का हो गया प्रत्युषा. नेक्स्ट आप दे दो अभी स्पेस वाला, स्पेस लूप. स्पेस लूप इनिशियल वैल्यू. इनिशियली आई नीड हाउ मेनी स्पेसेस? 6 स्पेसेस. तो व्हाट शुड बी द एसपी इज इक्वल टू, एसपी इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? इनिशियल वैल्यू एसपी लेस देन इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? साहिल पटनायक SP is equal to 1, SP less than equals to space plus plus SP. Sahil Patnaik say 1 less than equals to, yes. Why 10 Subhasmita? अच्छा 6 to 10. So now we cannot give Subhasmita like this. 6 to 10 means every time it will give you 6 to 10. But next time I need 2 less than the previous one. Subhasmita constant नहीं दे सकते यहाँ पे. हर बार आपका 2 कम हो रहा है. Everyone has given. Now this is also wrong. SP is equal to 1, SP less than equals to 6. Wrong. Dipti Mai, waiting for your answer. Ruturas, 1 less than equals to space. Yes, good. This is your 1. This is less than equals to space. This must be a variable. Let me show you. This must be a variable. Initially, number of spaces is 6. Now next time it should be 4. 1 to 4, 4 spaces. Here I need 6 spaces. Here I need 4 spaces. Here I need 2 spaces. Here I need 0 space. So that's why this must be a variable. This must be a variable. We cannot give constant over here. Understood, Subhasmita? You have given the wrong answer. Dipti may also wrong answer because less than equals to 6 is wrong. Shravani, I think this is the first answer you have given, Shravani. Okay, now print space. Now space is equal to space. What? Plus or minus? Now next question is space plus or minus. Space minus equals to space. Minus 2. Good. Not space minus equals to space, Tilak. Because I have already shown you first time it was 6. Next time it is 4. Next time it is 2. Next time it is 0. That means it is minus 2. Now inner loop. Space minus 2. Good. Gitanjali, good. Ishan, Panda, minus 2, good. Now next is your inner loop. Yes, got it. Now a new candidate joined, WG Gamer. May I know your name? Right answer given by you. And this is your first answer again. First answer, right answer. May I know your name? For inner loop, C is equal to 1, C less than equals to 4, plus plus C. Now is Om answer is correct? Because this is triangle pattern. My column is always depend upon row. When row is 1, when row is 1, column moves 1 time. When row is 2, column moves. When row is 1, column is iterating 1 time. When row is 2, column iterate 2 times. So that means C is equal to 1, C less than equals to 4, and C plus plus. Now what I need to display? What to display now? यहाँ पे थोड़ा आपका मेरा कंट्रोवर्सी हो सकता है. दोज हु हैव अंडरस्टूड दे कैन एबल टू गिव द राइट आंसर. स्वस्तिक राउत ऑफ क्लास 9. स्वस्तिक. I have a doubt if C++ and plus C are same in updation part. Yes. Yes. C equals to 1, C less than 4 or less than equals to R. Swastik. It is less than equals to R, not less than. Dipti, my right answer. Less than equals to R. Yes, what I need to display? Before that, I need a if condition. Because if, I am showing you now, going back to show you, I am clearing this one to make you understand. Look at over here. When my row is odd, I am displaying hash. When my row is odd, I am displaying hash. When my row is odd, I am displaying hash. When my row is even, I am changing the color to make you understand clearly. When my row is even, I am displaying dollar. When my row is even, I am displaying dollar. So according to that, I will check if R modulo 2 equals to 0. If my row is 1, then what should I display? If my row is 2, what should I display? R mod 2 equals to 0. Yes. Good. What to display? Yes, Aishman. Good answer. Pratyusha. Good. Ruturaj. Excellent. What to display now? अर्पिता, आपने प्रीवियस ऑप्शन को डिलीट किया था. आपने प्रीवियस आंसर आपका डिलीट होके नया आंसर आया है. अच्छा, नाउ वी गॉट एन कंट्रोवर्सी. Ayushman says hash rest. Free candidate has given dollar. Rahul Naik, east or best? Mohan sir is best. May I know who is this Rahul Naik? Now you got my name also. R motto 2 equals to 0. Sir, because I wanted to write properly. Okay, not an issue. Not an issue. Rahul Naik. Subham Swai says dollar. Now we can get it from here. Big fan from Jharkhand. Acha, you are from Jharkhand, Mr. Rahul Naik. Which class? Okay, now let me tell you. When I am saying R modulo 2, it is even. Now when it is even, look at over here. I am showing you, I am clearing all those things to make you understand. Now this is row 1. आपको कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा. अभी डॉलर हैश में 2 आंसर आया है. अलग अलग आंसर आया तो मतलब यू डोंट हैव एन आइडिया. डॉलर है यहाँ पे R3. ना आपका रो कहां से स्टार्ट हो रहा है? 1 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. 1 इज ऑड. दैट मीन्स फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम चेकिंग फॉर द इवन. इफ इट इज इवन, व्हाट शुड आई डिस्प्ले? इवन में कहा क्या डिस्प्ले करवा रहे हो आप? इवन में आपका डॉलर सिंबल आ रहा है. R4 इवन. इवन में आपका कौन सा सिंबल आ रहा है? डॉलर सिंबल आ रहा है. तो दोज हु हैव गिवन डॉलर सिंबल, इट इज राइट आंसर. बट Those who have given hash is a wrong answer. Maximum has given dollar symbol. I can see. एक आंसर आया था हैश में. मैं नो किसका आया था वो मुझे याद नहीं. किसी एक का आया था हैश में. बाकी सबका डॉलर में आया था. आई थिंक आयुष्मान. Diptimai, if even, it will print dollar. If odd, it will print hash. Good. सर आप सिर्फ थैंक्स पे जाओ. अच्छा ठीक है. So Shubham, sir, inside if there can be another condition also. If r modulo 2 not equals to 0, then hash, else dollar. Yes, good. Good, Subhasmita. This is also possible. We can write like this also. Now, as usual, at last I will print println. At the end, I will use println. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear? Now, this is your part. This is homework. Now, this is homework for all of you. Just note down this. Note down the homework. Okay, good night to all of you. Good night to all of you. So I don't have a pen right now. Acha, I'm just getting your IP address so that people will get you. Just Rahul Naik. IP address तर find out करो. राहुल नायक. आपको पठाओ. हाँ ट्रैकिंग सेंटर. ना मैं प्राइवेट करूँ. नहीं ट्रैकिंग सेंटर. अच्छी नहीं से मु अच्छे ऑन अच्छे ना मु बंद करनी ऑन अच्छे ट्रैक करो. Yes, where are you, Mr. Rahul Naik? Why don't you send good night to me?